Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice. Let's talk about using commas to make your writing clear. Many learners don't use commas or they use too many. The good news, you only need a few comma rules to communicate clearly. The hack is focus on 3 powerful comma rules. Focus on these 3 powerful comma rules. Rule number 1, use a comma in a list. Use a comma in a list. Examples, I bought apples, bananas, and oranges. We have a list of fruit here, right? We have apples, bananas, and oranges, so we use commas here because it's a list of 3 fruit. Apples, comma, bananas, comma, and oranges. She invited Tom, Mary, and Ken. All right, we have 3 people. We have Tom, Mary, and Ken. It's a list of people, so we use commas here. Tom, comma, Mary, comma, and Ken. If there are 3 or more things, use a comma. Rule number 2, use a comma before but. I wanted to go, but I was busy. We have but here, and then before but, we have a comma. I wanted to go, but I was busy. He studied hard, but the test was difficult. So here we have but, and so before but, we have a comma. He studied hard, but the test was difficult. Rule number 3, use a comma after time words. After work, I went to the gym. All right, so after work, that's a time, right? You finish work at a certain time. So after work, and then we use a comma, I went to the gym. This morning, we had a meeting. All right, so this morning, that's a time. This morning, comma, we had a meeting. In the future, people will work less. Okay, in the future, that's a time, right? And then there's a comma. In the future, comma, people will work less. The comma helps the reader prepare for the main idea. All right, so after work, what's going to happen next? I went to the gym. This morning, what's going to happen next? We had a meeting. In the future, what's going to happen next? People will work less. Okay. Pause equals comma, right? So maybe you heard the pause. I wanted to go, but I was busy, right? There's a pause after the comma. He studied hard, but the test was difficult. There's a natural pause. After work, I went to the gym, right? You heard the pause. This morning, we had a meeting. In the future, people will work less. Pause equals comma. Key rule to remember. Lists, use a comma. Pauses, use a comma. And then extra information, use a comma. Okay, let's do a little quiz here. Let's fix the sentences here. Okay, so we have I drank coffee, tea, and juice. Where do we put the commas here? Where do we put the commas? I drank coffee, tea, and juice. It's a list, right? So it's a list. So we say, I drank coffee, tea, and juice, right? So we separated those drinks, right? Coffee, tea, and juice. We separated them with a comma. She was tired, but she finished her work. Where's the comma go? Right, before but. Yep, she was tired, but she finished her work. Okay, good. We have one more. After dinner, we watched a movie. Where does the comma go? Okay, good, right? So we have our time here. After dinner, comma, we watched a movie. Very good. Let's go over this one more time. I drank coffee, tea, and juice. She was tired, but she finished her work. After dinner, we watched a movie. Okay, great job. Bye. Patreon, download all those worksheets. There are hundreds and hundreds of worksheets. Support me on Patreon so I can support you here. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.